Chris. Well, many of you may hit the stores tonight and tomorrow for last-minute holiday shopping for family and friends, but there was one last-minute shopper in the stores with a very different priority. KCTV5's Eric Chaloux is live now to explain. Hey, Eric.
Hey, Brad, the Christmas spirit came to life for one Kansas City mom and her 4 little boys today when a red van showed up at their doorstep. He moved quickly down the aisles, grabbing gifts from shelves on Thursday. Mike Lane does not have a red suit nor a white beard, but what he does captures the magic of the season.
We're shopping today, so tomorrow we can surprise them and bring Christmas to their door and hopefully change their holiday this year.
He made his list and then checked it twice and was ready for a special delivery. Mike's the director of the American Children's Society in South Kansas City. Donations help the group fill gaps for people in need. The run today in his red van was for a family in eastern Jackson County.
This is awesome.
They delivered food.
You should be able to handle that one. That's nice and light.
Toys and even a Christmas tree to a single mom and her 4 boys.
It means a lot. It means a whole lot. My kids have gifts. It means the world to me.
Crystal's world before was rough, she admits. She lost her job, and then their furnace stopped working. Cold, with no heat, Mike's group worked with KB Complete to replace it. What came out of that red van, this mom says, is the true meaning of Christmas. Her favorite gift is what she saw all around her.
The faces, the smiles, the joy in the faces.
Well, those little boys promised Mike they would not open any more of those Christmas presents. You saw the soccer ball, but they wouldn't open any more until Christmas morning, a morning they won't forget, nor will their mom nor Mike. Reporting live in Kansas City, Eric Chaloux, KCTV5 News.